What's good, KG fam? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to my channel. I apologize if I sound like shit. I haven't been feeling well the past few days. I haven't even picked up the camera or anything like that. But we've been planning this meet, Euro class. It's a fun run. It's a end of the year one. It's only like once a year. Really, really big ass crews. Of course, I got the M3. Mario's rolling with me. We're supposed to have like 3 others, but they might. Well, two of them already flaked, but one of them still might come. So. Sorry if I sound like shit. I seriously can't swallow. I got a really bad sore throat, like congestion and mucus and all this shit. But yeah, we're here at the gas station putting up gas. We're gonna head out to the Euro class meet. Mario went back to his wheels, which they look really good. I just feel like the Equips looked, they settled better, but these are still fire as hell. All right, guys, we just pulled up. There's a bunch of cars here. We're just gonna go through all the cars here, I guess. And as we pull up, what's up, bro? What's going on? And yeah, it should be fun. There's a lot of cars. God damn, we got McLarens here. Something on. Damn, we'll be big balling today. What's up, Kevin? What up, bro? This is horrible. We got a Prius rolling with this. Ooh, we got the homie Carlos and Mike. I could have swore I knew that was you. Whoa.
What up, brother?
Bro, it's been a minute.
Yeah, it has.
What up, Carlos? What's going on, dude? It's been a minute too. Yeah. Damn. Guys, hella cars pulling up right now. So many cars. Alright, so we just parked. Check out all the cars here. Seriously, nothing but M's. That's crazy. M4s, M3s, E46. Hella cars. You're gonna go to Starbucks too?
Yeah. Why'd you go?
Because my throat hurts.
I need to air it out, though.
Okay. Oh, I need a quart of oil.
Yeah?
You need it too?
No, I added oil.
Wow, you was that my oil?
Yeah.
That I gave you? I'm gonna get the medicine ball. My throat is fucked. Yeah, my throat is so messed up right now.
How did it look, bro?
More M's just pulled up. I think that's like the only Audi here.
See this one? I want an F80 now.
I know, me too. We're all switching over to F80s now.
Myra's selling her Benz so she gets an F80 and we can still keep this one. Yeah?
Wrap the F80 pink?
I'm down. The same pink.
She likes that color.
The Humvee Rick. Damn, peep those headlights though. He got LED eyebrows. That's just sick, bro.
You like?
Yeah, new headlights. What up, Rick? You sore or what?
What the fuck is wrong, dude?
What happened, G?
I can't believe I'm here.
I dragged his ass here. I made him come here.
Jump on the freeway when we I cannot believe I'm here.
Hey.
Not you guys, I'm not fucking coming, dude.
What up, Rick? What
I
up?
haven't even done cleaning the car, man. Get
I know this shit looks clean. What are you talking about?
Oh, dude, seriously.
Dude, that headlight.
Bro, there's so many ends.
Oh shit.
Oh. Well, we're all rolling out. Time to go for this sick little drive. All the way down to like the OC area. Should be pretty sick. Should be fun. Ricky Rick! Rick! What up, fool? It's gonna be a sick drive. So many cars. Meister Shaft, homie.
I love you, Limey.
God damn, there's a lot of us. I feel like this drive is gonna be really, really crazy right now. So somehow we took the wrong way, so I'm leading the pack. Got all the beavers behind me. Yeah, we took the wrong freeway, I guess. Fucked up. But we'll get there with everybody pretty soon. Alright, so update. Basically, we're at the right location, but the thing is that we're going for a drive, which was going to take about an hour or so, and we were going to meet up here and get lunch. So now we're going to just chill here for about an hour, 45 minutes, and wait for everybody to pull up. Gee, Sebas, where you at?
Sebas!
Damn, all over you. All over you with the cones. Damn, this thing is clean. I love the F80 so much. This looks so good. Wow. Oh my god, look at this wing. Holy shit. Sick, GT3. Sweet. There's a bunch of us rolling up. There's more coming over here. I think a lot of people got lost. A lot of people followed us actually, or they followed the wrong person who went on the freeway. But yeah, there's a bunch of us. Cool lineup. There's a bunch coming out. M6. Guys, this car is a sleeper. This car legit pushes like 700 horsepower. And it's a sleeper. As you can see by the plate, 07 sleeper.
Defensive driving course, offensive driving course.
This thing must haul ass. Man, AMG GT. That's just nice. So this car pushes like 770 wheel, I think he said. This little Audi right here. All-wheel drive. And supposedly he gapped the AMG here by like 10 cars, and now he's gonna give the owner of the AMG a ride. We got a 720S. Damn. M4, look at this color, it's just trippy. But damn, this McLaren's sick. Mario's rolling out.
Hey, air out, fool. Oh.
It's just so blinding. I think the rest of the crew just pulled up. Damn. This lot is hella packed. Check out the, god damn, look at this hood. Look at this wide body. Holy shit. That's crazy. God damn. It's crazy. Damn. Fucking BMW takeover. It's like Beamer Fest all over again. Damn, Rick's got all the attention about his new headlights. So Mario, basically the same setup I have, but they threw a carbon fiber eyelid with an LED strip or whatever. Looks really, really good. Super aggressive. We got the homies E92 M3 pulled up on those HREs. Got some meat on those tires, god damn. E92 M3. What's good, KG fam? I sound even worse than yesterday. I sound like complete shit. I look fucked up. My face looks horrible. Just been sleeping all day. I woke up right now. We're going to Masterminds right now. We might go to a car meet. I might go. I'm not sure yet. I'm trying to push out a vlog. Cold start. Woo. Oh my god, I'm so tired. Woo. Cold start. That's what's up.
My tripod brand new. Oh.
Bro, I feel like shit.
You look like shit.
I'm about to fucking get you sick, bro.
Sneeze on him.
You're the one who got me sick.
You were
You got in my car when we went to go get food. Bro, we went to go get Mexican food, and you got me sick when I got you in my car.
You were the one hugging me and saying, bro. Bro, don't be like that. Ooh,
Oh my god.
look at those little cars over there in the corner. We should get them, Mario.
Oh, no, I saw them.
Well,
What?
we can make one chrome and the other one half and golden.
What up? What are you doing?
Just trying to wind my car.
You fixing his lip?
No, it's brand new.
Air's is fixing lips now. Bro, how are you drinking that? Aren't you cold? And how the hell are you in sandals?
It's fucking hot out. Look at your boy.
Nah, I'm
Jeez.
cold.
Ya estoy frío ahora.
So your alternator went out, huh? Guys, Air's alternator went out and he went and got a new one. Oh, he got a used one. New but used.
Manufactured.
Remanufactured. New used. Used.
Brand used.
So your car works again, huh?
Yep.
Nice, bro. Yeah, like a couple days ago his car went out. He thought it was the battery, but it was the alternator that went out on him. So now Air's...
Don't do it yet. Don't do it yet.
What?
Don't vlog it yet. No, I'm for real.
What? What the hell are these guys doing, bro? It's how you know they didn't have shit to do today. Or they're picking up little toy cars. Oh my gosh, these guys are retarded as hell. What the fuck's wrong with these guys? What's that thing I always say? Ponte a trabajar.
Look at this mark right here. See it?
Hello.
This baby.
Oh, it's Mario's.
Bro.
Alright, bye. Yes. Alright, bye. Nice, G.
He was there as interior before he bought the car.
That's fucked up. Nice, puto. I need you to fix mine. Ace is that. That shit's fucked, bro. So you guys, you see that chip right there? Let me see if we can focus real quick. That's the chip he needs to fix right there. So Air's with his little magic thing. He fixed Two-Face's lip. He fixed his own lip. Now he's about to fix mine. Just a little bit, remember? Yeah. And on the top. Damn, that shit disappeared, bro. Damn, everything is fixed. Can't even tell. Thanks, G.
Look at this one.
Appreciate
This
it.
is a big. Oh shit.
Yeah, it's got a lot of.
We need it. I'll do it.
Nah, nah.
Yeah. Bring the spring.
Oh, my, I just.
Boy, it's gonna look so good.
Fucking God. All right, so we're here at the gas station. We're about to head out to this meet. Still feeling like shit. Just give you guys an update, and then we are gonna head out and check out this meet and probably do a photo shoot after. So it should be pretty fun. We out here photo shooting. Got a bunch of M's only. Which one would you guys take? Frozen Black, Convertible, an E90, Mario's, mine, M4CS, or of course Two-Face. Comment down below right now which one is for you. I think this Frozen Black looks hard. But yeah. Take it, let me see. Damn. He let him go, but oh, sorry. Anyway, he gave him a front plate ticket. I don't know why it's not focusing. Because he has a European plate.
Like
Rick, Rick.
The most important thing is the one in the back. You know. The one in the back. Is
All we know. Let me flip the camera. Hold up. All I know is that Ayers was next to me. Ayers flew by me. We saw the cop, motorcycle cop, sitting on the right. Rick, of course, happened to be the last one when we were rolling over there. Pulled him over, and he thought it was theirs. He said, I heard you burbling this and that. And Rick's like, that wasn't me. But pulled him over. It's all good. Probably gonna go home after this. I'm probably go home and sleep, feel like shit. We're gonna try to replicate this picture right here. Using that. Hopefully it comes out fire. Current situation right now. So we're getting like half. Should be pretty sick. We got photography by RC behind the lens. He's gonna take this sick picture of all our cars. Damn. That looks so sick. Hold on, bro. I'm vlogging this. All the M's lined up. Let me show you guys something real quick.
69 fucking thousand.
You good?
Yeah.
So, if you look at it like this, it's supposed to get like all the headlights. Damn. Alright guys, I just been chilling in the car while everybody was doing their own shoots. So basically, everybody got their own front end shot here. So this is the last car and then it's me again. We did a round of everybody, so everybody got their own shot. I'm just chilling in the car because I cannot stand smelling the exhaust from the cars. I just feel like I'm gonna die with that with that smell. I didn't take any photos. The photographer who's here is the one taking the photos, so I don't know if I'm gonna get these when, so they probably won't be in this vlog, but it'll probably be like in the next vlog or something. But I got some photos for you guys that I took recently of my car and stuff, so I'll throw them at the end of the video. I feel like this vlog wasn't really anything special. It was just kind of like out of the place and whatever, but I just feel like I needed to push something out for you guys. So and hopefully I feel way better the next time I pick up the camera and put out another vlog. So yeah, smack the like button, subscribe, share with your friends, like always. Watch the other videos. I got other videos that are pretty good. So yeah, peace.